They don't smell like Fruity Pebbles. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. My name is Amar, and on this channel we review a variety of sneakers, and those sneakers mostly being of my favourite pairs, and those mostly being of Nike branding. In today's video we'll be looking at another Nike Dunk Low. I am super gassed I've got this pair because I do get those vibes from another silhouette which do really remind me of these particular ones. Right, so I'll just start off with a short introduction. So if you are new along here, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please make sure to hit that notification bell and stay up to date with any of my videos. And with all that out of the way, we'll start off this video and we'll go ahead and look at the box and packaging. So in hand we have that traditional standard Nike OG box. There is nothing out your ordinary, so I won't keep you much long on that. And if I just go ahead and read off the box label, and the box label reads Nike Dunk Low Quick Strike, and it's of a colorway of Habanero Red, Laser Blue, White. Right, so if I just go ahead and peel back this paper, we can have a look at this packaging. I have removed the kicks because I just wanted to give it a little sniff, because someone told me they smell like a cereal. But if we just go ahead and peel back this lid, we do have that standard tissue paper. You do have your lot number there on the side of the lid. Standard tissue paper, nothing out of the ordinary. That's your box. Right guys, so in hand here is your first look on this channel. The Nike Dunk Low QS collaboration with LeBron James, Fruity Pebbles. So I will just give you a quick run up of the actual silhouette and the collab itself. Now this is a Nike Dunk Low and it was collaborated with LeBron James, and it was to just point out those key facts about how nutrition and health plays a big part within his health, and just generally his love for Fruity Pebbles. So they've gone ahead and collaborated with Fruity Pebbles on this Nike Dunk Low. Now this ain't the first time they've collaborated with Fruity Pebbles. They have done a few collaborations in the past, so they have sort of done different silhouettes, so I thought that might be something to point out. And just generally it's just a fire colorway in my opinion. It's pretty loud and it kind of gives off those vibes of the Bart Simpson's SB Dunks in my opinion. So if you are feeling those kind of colours, so you didn't cop, this is easily a decent pickup because it does have those sort of colours. Right, so what I'll do in this video, I'll try to cover certain aspects of the sneaker. We'll talk about materials, we'll talk about sizing, and we'll talk about availability. The upper panels, now the overlays, so you're talking your mudguard and your eyelets and your side panel, they are all in that Habanero Red colorway. And if we go ahead and look at your toe box is in a nice clean white leather colorway. That goes for your side panel. And if we look at your ankle collar, which it don't actually mention in the box description, but you do have a darker yellow colorway on your ankle collar. Looks really nice with the laser blue. So then you have your laser blue swoosh and your laser blue sock liner, and all those materials are of tumbled leather. If you are doing the press test, you do get that sort of buttery effect on your toe box. That goes for your side panel, which is here, the side panel or your mid panel, whichever you want to call it. Toe box and your eyelets and your side panel, they have a nice plush leather. Now if we just quickly look at the actual QC, now I actually got a bad pair. I'm not really too happy about this particular pair. Now if you can see there, it does have a bit of creasing there, which in my opinion is sort of bad QC. That's a bit of a letdown. So that's all your materials. Let's go ahead and look at your midsole. You have a nice clean white rubber midsole. And looking at your laces are a really cool detail. They sort of give off those Fruity Pebble vibes, which are really decent. They do feel more of like a cotton material, and they are pretty thin. You do also get two sets of laces. They are both flat style shoelaces. One is of a white colorway and the other is a purple colorway, and they are both nice. Sort of more or less LeBron's colours, I believe. And if we just go ahead and look at your tongue, you have a nice, clean, slightly padded nylon tongue, and your tongue tab is of a canvas material, and you have your FRUiTY Pebbles branding and the trademark on your tongue tab. Back of your tongue, you also have some details on the back of your tongue. Looking at your heel tab, you have your LeBron James branding instead of your Nike branding on your heel tab, and it's been embroidered in white thread, pretty clean. So you have his initials, the L and the J and the crown. This is your insole, pretty cool detail. You have that FRUiTY Pebbles branding, cereal all throughout the insole, really cool detail. And towards the back of the heel, you've got your Nike and swoosh branding in that white colour. The favourite part of the silhouette itself is the nice milky white outsole. To be honest, I don't know if it's actually translucent, but it is a nice milky white rubber outsole. If we go ahead and talk about sizing, now when it comes to your Nike Dunk lows, I just always go true to size. These did drop in the UK and the EU on the 8th of November, and to be honest, I do believe there was a drop with the US, and that was a good month ago. This is a pair that I've had my eye on for some months, to be honest. When I see something pop up, I tend to follow it, and I've been following this for a couple of months. Now, I do believe that the US have actually had this already. I'd say it's been a good month. As I said, I was following it, and it was pretty much hyped, to be honest, and they was going for around $300 plus. Because I was actually looking to get this pair from StockX, so I thought I'd leave it. So after that, we had the release. The hype just totally died. I remember checking up on it a couple of days before it actually dropped, and these actually dropped on StockX, on Go, on other platforms. To be honest, when I was checking, they were pretty much close to sort of retail, so I was really surprised about that. But anyway, so I put in a few raffles, and to be honest, I got more than one pair. And I do believe when it comes to availability, these are widely available. I do mention this occasionally. I do recommend downloading Soul Supplier. So if you have a iPhone device or an Android device, you can download that on your mobile device or tablet or whatever. Tick all your favorites and all your upcoming releases, and you'll just get your reminders. So if you are following Soul Supplier, you can actually search up certain sneakers or silhouettes that you're interested in. It will supply you with stock information. It will show you which sort of platforms or which retailers have got these in stock. Right guys, so I do believe I've covered most of what I said I'd cover in this video. I do appreciate if you've stuck around. I appreciate your support, and if you've not subscribed and you're new along here, please make sure to subscribe and smash that notification bell and stay up to date with any of my videos. And with all that out of the way, I hope to see you on the next video.